Hey guys, it's me again. So here we are on the EverBee store sign-in page. So let's do just that and sign in, shall we? So here on the left menu, we need to click on Designer to open up, and then click on Builder. And this will take us directly to our website builder, where we can add, edit, and delete pages. Right, so let us click on 4 brands, and here we are taken to that page over here. We have different sections here, so let's click on Review, and here we can edit this section of the page. We can also delete specific parts of the reviews. We can add reviews or even edit them. It can take a few seconds for it to load, and then you can just edit it quickly and easily right inside your EverBee store back office, back end, or admin console. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, so here we are still in the website builder, and we're going to add a section called Email Signup. Now on the left, you can see all the great options that we get inside our EverBee store to set up the email opt-in form for our potential customers. This is where we have to be creative in capturing those golden visitors we want to convert into customers. We can set a background color or an image. We can set a title here. Here is the text box for the headline or title, and then below that, you can add some more information about the email opt-in page. And then obviously we have the sign up button right next to the email text field. There are so many different settings you can set and edit here in the left menu to make it blend in with your EverBee store's theme and branding colors. Isn't that just fantastic? All the powerful features we have here in our EverBee store. Okay, right, so here we are in the POD listing editor of our EverBee store. This is where we can edit our listings for our POD products. Here, we can see all the different collections, which is like sections we have to categorize our listings by their different types or for different seasonal products. We have apparel, hats, candles, tote bags, freelancer items, phone cases, and also the courses. So basically, we don't just have to sell products. We could offer online courses, memberships, and much more right here inside our EverBee store. So here, we can edit the Creator Apparel collection and change the name, description, collection type, and we can add or delete products to the collection. We can also optimize the collection even further. And now here we are going to the Printify integration. So first, we have to go to our dashboard and click on Apps and Integration, and then click on All Apps. Here, you will see Printify, and if it is your first time here, you would need to connect your Printify account to your EverBee store right here. So we click on Open, then click on the blue Connect button here at the bottom. It takes a few seconds to load up, and then we have to click on the Allow button to establish the connection. And you usually only have to do this once and never again. Once this is all done, your Printify account is now connected and integrated with your EverBee store. Easy, right? Now, it is amazing to think how far the online world has come and evolved. And with the help of AI, it is now even easier than ever to get your EverBee store up and running for your business. A lot of people may be skeptical about starting an online business, but quite frankly, there is nothing to be afraid of at all. You can start your new online business as a side hustle and still keep your day job. And then, once your EverBee store is starting to make some really good money in a few months' time, or maybe a year, depending on how much time and effort you can afford to put into your business, you can eventually quit your 9-to-5 job and go full-time into your EverBee store and business. Now, if that is not enough to get really excited about, then I really don't know what will be. I love using EverBee because you can look at over 30 million Etsy listings. There's all sorts of stuff in here. Digital designs, custom print on demand, you name it. Are you a creator ready to turn your passion into profit? Stop getting bogged down by clunky e-commerce platforms and high fees. Introducing EverBee Store, the AI-powered platform built just for you. Whether you sell physical products, digital downloads, print-on-demand items, or subscription memberships, EverBee makes it simple. Set up your beautiful, high-converting store in under 10 minutes with our easy-to-use, no-code, drag-and-drop builder. Recover abandoned carts, offer automatic discounts, and even set up recurring subscriptions, all without needing extra tools. Plus, every EverBee store comes with a custom domain and a free SSL certificate to build trust with your customers. And you're never alone. With 24/7 support from real humans and a vibrant community of creators, we're here to help you succeed. Go get your free account and start your journey to Etsy success today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Etsy tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Now go and turn your Etsy dreams into a reality. Ready to grow your business? EverBee Store is designed for higher conversions and lower fees than platforms like Shopify or Wix. Don't wait. Start your 30-day trial for just $1. Join the thousands of creators busy building their dream business with EverBee. Click the link in the description below that will take you directly to the sign-up page.